Going to Zanzibar. Flying to Zanzibar. So here I fly from Dubai International Airport towards Zanzibar. I am pretty excited. Are you guys too? Because Zanzibar is a Tanzanian archipelago, which is a collection of islands off the coast of East Africa. And I am very excited because it is a tropical island and I am expecting some really nice beaches and the sea and sand. So I had an overnight flight from DXB to ZNZ, and this is the next morning. I am about to reach the destination, and luckily I have got the window seat and I can see such a picturesque view right by my side. Here I arrive at the International Airport of Zanzibar. Guys, do visit my website to book your flights and hotels and get all the information for your travel at travel.bohemantra.com. Links are given below. Book your airport transfers and tour packages from my very page, which is travel.bohemantra.com. Finally reached my destination. This is a resort made of bamboo and local African theme, and I'm loving it. Finally, after the long night flight, it's time to get some rest in this amazing resort. So see you guys in a bit. Finally, I am feeling fresh. Time to explore this resort. And you guys do check the link on top right. I have made an exclusive vlog on the wildlife of this beautiful island. Do check my Stone Town video. Link is given in top right corner. This is a beautiful resort in Zanzibar. Another interesting fact about this island is that it's also known as the Spice Island because it produces a lot of spices, and I have made another video on Spice Store. Do check it out at the top right corner. It's time for photos. Next day, enjoying the sea and the sand. Hello. beautiful, wonderful beaches and crystal clear water. Do read my blog page at BOHEMANTRA.com. Such a serene view. Got some seaweed here. Can you see it? I am enjoying like anything. Photo session for next day. It's kayak time. Do watch my another vlog on kayaking. Relaxing on the next day, and look what I found. A bird of prey at the shore. Watch my vlog on birds. Link is given on the screen. There are some interesting videos appearing on your screen. Click on them, watch them, and read the description below. Do subscribe to my channel for these interesting videos, travelogues, and press the bell icon for notifications.